Are you curious about those lesser-known viruses? Let's shed some light on HMPV and its impact. HMPV, or human metapneumovirus, is a respiratory virus discovered in 2001. It mainly affects the lungs and can cause symptoms similar to the common cold or flu. Most people experience mild symptoms, like coughing, runny nose, and fever. However, young children, elderly folks, and those with weakened immune systems may face more severe issues, such as bronchitis or pneumonia. Don't worry, HMPV is not something to panic about. Good hygiene practices like washing your hands regularly and covering your mouth when you cough can help prevent its spread. If you or your loved ones do get sick, rest and plenty of fluids are key to recovery. And remember, a healthcare provider can offer guidance if symptoms worsen. So, there you have it. HMPV may sound intimidating, but with a little knowledge and some simple precautions, we can all stay healthy and informed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.